everyone, welcome to Fergie's Kitchen. If you happen to be just browsing and you ran into my channel, please like and subscribe and welcome. And to all my subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm just going to make some oat biscuit with 5 ingredients, and here are my ingredients. I'm using self-rising flour, brown sugar, some blue agave syrup, oat, and butter. So those are my ingredients for today. Okay guys, in this pot I have a half a cup of butter and a half a cup of sugar, and I'm gonna put a half a cup of agave syrup, and I'm gonna put this on the stove top to melt. Okay guys, so just make sure it's warm where you can stir for the sugar to dissolve and the butter to melt. And as soon as the butter is melt, you remove it from the heat, okay? So guys, now I'm going to sieve 1 1/4 cup of the flour. And to this guys, I'm gonna add 1 1/4 cup of oat. That I'm gonna add our liquid. Okay guys, just use a spatula to press down on your dough. And remember to leave space in between your biscuits so when they rise, they're not touching each other, okay? So guys, I'm gonna put my biscuit in my preset oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, just until your biscuits turns a little bit brown, okay? So guys, before I present my oat biscuit, please follow me on Instagram at Kitchen Fergie, and on my Facebook, come and join me guys at Fergie's Kitchen. And today guys, let's present my oat biscuit. You guys just enjoy it. You can add nuts to it. You can throw whatever you want, almonds, whatever. I just wanted to keep it at 5 ingredients, all right? So guys, as you know, I feed the body, the mind, the heart, and the soul. Today's scripture will be coming from James 4 verse 10. Humble yourself in the sight of the Lord, and He shall lift you up. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, don't wait on someone to bring you flowers. Plant your own garden and decorate your own soul. Fergie love you guys. Please enjoy. Wait, let me take a bite. Bye-bye.